Now, do you want your Excel sheet to do the thinking for you? Now, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to make Excel highlight important data automatically. No formulas needed. Now, let's go. In the first part, what is conditional formatting? You need to know what conditional formatting is. Now, conditional formatting lets you change the appearance of a cell based on its value. It is perfect for spotting trends, highlighting high or low numbers, or flagging duplicates instantly. So that is the work of conditional formatting. So now let's start with something simple. Let's say we want to highlight all cells below 500. So this is our data. So from this session, we are going to get to know the cells below 500. So the first step is you first of all need to select the range that you want to format. Then you go to the home tab. So under the home tab, you go into conditional formatting. So under conditional formatting, just click on the conditional formatting. You see a drop down list. Then select highlight with rules. So highlight rules. So these are the rules that you can select from. We want to select from less than. So the value should be less than 500. So we select less than. Then we enter the value that we want to be. So the value is 500. So we type 500 under this column here. Then after that, we come to this section here. So which kind of color do you want to use? Do you want to use the red color or a red border or any kind of design I want to use? So we want to use a red border. So let's select a red border. You can see that it has changed to a red border. So you can also change it to, let's say, red text. The text will be red. So you can see from here that the text is red. 450 is red. Okay, so that is that. You can even use a yellow fill with dark yellow, something like that. So you can just select it and then you can see it is working here. So if you're okay with that, you just click on OK. You can see that it will take effect. So you can see from here that the values which are less than 500 is taking effect. There's one thing you can also do with conditional formatting. That's when you want to visualize the range. So we are going to try and use the color scales or data bars. So the first thing is let's select the data. So this is the data that we want to use. So let's change this. So let's use the target one. Let's select the data here. Then go to conditional formatting. Then choose select or choose scale color scales. So this is the color scale. Okay, so from the color scale, you have so many color scale that you want that you can choose from. So any of them that you want. So you can choose the green, yellow, red based color. So this one, you can choose the first one if you're okay with that, or you can try the bar data or the data bar. So you see you have the data bar here. So let's say let me just select one of these. You can see that it has given you some highlights. It has selected some, it has formatted some values here for you. We can also come to this section and then the same way we can use the bar, the data bar. So you can see the data bar, it will give you these values. You can see that. So let's select the first one. Let's open it up and see. You can see that it gives you the bars of each of the values. So that is also another conditional formatting. You can also remove or manage your rules. Let's say do some changes in your conditional formatting. So this is what you do. You select the range, you go to the conditional formatting again, you go to manage rules. So under manage rules, you can edit, you can delete, you can do so many other changes here. So you can even create a new rule. So you can click here and create a new rule based on how you want it to be. You can also edit the rule and change some settings there. You can also delete the rule entirely. So let's delete the rule entirely and click on OK. You can see that the rule is now deleted. You can still go there again and then do the same thing. Just delete the rule again and click on OK. So that everything is now deleted. So if you want to manage it, you can still go there and then manage it. So this is just a simple way of creating a conditional formatting. Drop a comment if this helped, and don't forget to like, subscribe for more smart assertives. Thank you for watching.